guys, Eric Kiley, your publisher of Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine. I'm excited to be down at Flibs, the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, right here in beautiful sunny South Florida. Guys, I'm having a blast. It's a wonderful show. Hey, while I'm here, I'm wandering around. I'm looking for some great new product to report to you guys on. And if I got some exciting news, Jeff De La Rosa, Pro Maxx Marine Care Products.
Thank
How are you?
Good to see you, Kyle. Thanks for stopping by.
It is so good to see you.
Thank
We
you.
started talking a few months ago. I get to meet you here in Fort Lauderdale. Tell us about Pro Maxx. This is great stuff.
We have a lot of great products, very innovative, all technology, mostly synthetic. A lot of guys today are waxing their boats with carnauba-based waxes, and they're compounding it, Kyle, with pumice-based compound, which basically scratches the boat and signs it.
So when you use carnauba wax, you're actually scratching your boat?
No, when you use compound to prepare it for carnauba wax.
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
what happens is because it's made up of ground up lava rock, and it's an old school technology, and what it does is eventually sands down your gel coat and takes the gloss right off of it. Our product is all synthetic, and what we did is we made it such that it's made up of a bunch of little plastic pellets, okay? And what happens, it starts out with a real, like 1,000 grit, but because this is softer than a gel coat, it will not hurt the gel coat, it won't grind it away and grind it down.
What are the plastic pellets made of?
Actually, it's a polymer, and what it does, it breaks down in this from 1,000 grit to 10,000 grit real fast. I'll show you.
Okay.
Let me put a drop of this on your finger and rub this between your thumb and forefinger for about 60 seconds. Now see, it starts out gritty at first.
Oh yeah.
Now as Eric rubs his fingers together, you'll see it'll get finer and finer and finer.
It's like a lotion now.
That's right. So now what it's doing is it's taking the scratches out. It took all your UV damage off, all your water stain damage, all your salt water and acid stain damage. That's all gone. Now what it's doing is polishing the polish and making it nice and smooth and glossy.
So let me just make sure that the FBI come looking for me, my fingerprints are no longer going to be there.
That's correct.
Love it. No, this is pretty slick, my man. How long has this kind of technology been around?
Well, you know what, we had it available for commercial markets a few years ago, but we launched it at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show here 2 years ago.
Okay.
We sold out, and we've got a great feedback from it because it is technically so much more advanced than what we have today.
Okay.
Now,
so that's the first step of the process?
That's right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to get your boat clean, scratch-free, and now we'll restore the fiberglass to like new. Now we have to protect it.
Okay.
Now, as we said before, and Eric hit it right on the head, carnauba is a nice product, but it only lasts about 30 to 45 days here in the hot sun because it's turpentine-based, and it evaporates in the sun and loses its UV effectiveness.
Got it.
All right?
Got it.
What this does, this is a polymer coating. This actually binds right to the fiberglass gel coat, and it will not come off. It protects your boat year in and year out. That's why we say you never wax it again, because once you put this on, it's going to stay on. This
will actually help restore the paint job that I have.
That's correct.
It'll make it look bright, shiny, and new again.
It will. Not only that, but it restores it and it keeps it. So what it does, it protects it. Now this is what it does, unlike carnauba. This actually cures in sunlight, Eric, so it gets harder.
Nice. Well, can I extend the life of my paint job by using this product?
Absolutely. Of course you can.
That's worth tens of thousands of dollars, man.
And there's a lot of stuff out there about ceramic coating, and really it's ceramic, nothing means other than just it's hard.
Yeah.
This is a polymer, it bonds to the gel coat, it protects your finish. Remember, this is what's going to get it shiny.
Yeah.
This is what's going to keep it shiny long term.
The ceramic coatings, even if I hit a break wall, I hit a break wall.
You do.
There's no amount of ceramic coating that's going to help
That's right.
Now, I know that rub rash and things like that are always a concern for fenders.
Right.
Will this, like the ceramic coatings, help prevent against that?
Yes, it will. In fact, what we're going to do, as I said before, it does harden in sunlight, it cures in sunlight.
Yeah.
So the longer it's in sunlight, the harder it gets. But you know what's nice? If you use carnauba-based waxes, it dissolves because it's turpentine-based.
Yeah.
It dissolves what's there already, and then all you're doing is replacing it.
Okay.
This, when you add it, it builds and builds and builds. You can add as many coats as you want to, and builds up your protection.
So one thing that I had noticed is that if you're going to go the ceramic way, the price point to get the product on your boat is astronomical.
It is.
It's not a DIY friendly product.
That's right.
So with this, can I do this two-step process myself?
You can.
Just wax on, wax off kind of thing?
You can. In fact, this one here, we're going to allow you to go ahead. You can use it in a machine, orbital, random orbital, or by hand. I prefer a random orbital because this goes faster. This goes on by hand, a 2-foot by 2 foot area.
Yep.
You wipe it off, it dries real quick, and it's done, and it protects it. You'll notice I have boats coming out of the water in the fall. People think they just got conditioned for the winter or hold up. They look fantastic because this protects it. Now we went one step further because guys that got a brand new boat, brand new, don't need to take off the UV damage because it's brand new.
Right.
What we did is we developed this. We call this a maintenance glaze, and what this does is it's both this and this combined, but it has a very, very micrometer size micro polish in it. All it does is if you got a brand new boat, it takes off the oils and stuff that's from the farm when it puts mold, and then it protects it with a polymer coating. Same thing, one step with this. But this is for newer boats, ones that are in good shape, not really heavily damaged, and not scratched. This will work on anything. Bring it back to new.
Restore it as
yes,
well.
sir.
Okay, so restorative and maintenance.
That's right.
Got it. Quick question.
Shoot.
Biggest challenge I have on my boat, guys, because I got a blue hole on my boat.
Oh.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir. Hit it.
Water.
No problem.
I get the water droplets.
Stains.
And it looks like, you know, after a couple of weeks,
yep,
no matter what I do the hull of my boat,
that's right,
it looks like I got droplets all over my boat.
Correct.
Does your product help with that?
Yes, it does. What it does is impervious to water, salt water damage. So what's going to do, it's going to leave a bead, but just hit it, wipe it off, it's gone. It won't have any permanent damage at all.
So the water spots, I can just kind of hose down, wipe it down, and I'm done.
Yeah, down here you're going to have a wash anyway when you get done with your boat because you want to get the salt water off.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Just hit it with a towel, wipe it down, but it won't damage it. It won't damage all, and it won't penetrate.
This is awesome stuff, brother.
But you know, you brought up something else, Eric, that was really cool. You said, hey, what do I do with my fenders that could potentially chaff my boat?
Yeah.
Great point. Check this out. We just introduced the new snap-up line. You haven't seen this yet. So what we have is Velcro, heavy-duty Velcro, boat bunker material that now you can wrap your lines and protect the chaff in your boat.
Okay, good.
Really nice stuff. It also have a railing, what we call rail-it. So you know, guys are always looking for a place to put stuff, right?
Oh yeah.
And these big nice boats, stuff is all over. So what we did is we came up with this. It binds it, really nice organizer. It's got anti-slip matting, so it keeps it from moving,
put that right
sliding.
In the safety rail.
Right. And then for you guys that love field glasses, right? There's never ever a place to put them. Simple. We came up with a nice little pouch made out of Simbrella.
Yeah.
It's got industrial grade Velcro. They can put the strips on this, which come with it. Stick it on the boat, pull the tabs off. You're good to go. Now you got a spot for your binoculars.
Brother, you're doing everything in the boat.
We're trying to help these guys out because we know how they are. They're fussy.
All right. Tell me where I'm going to go online to find out more information specifically about the ProMax set
yes, sir.
products, and then if I want to get some of the other products, I can get access to.
You're right. ProMaxMarine.com. That's ProMax, ProMaxx Marine.com.
Okay.
You can get this in what we call a care kit that comes in a pad, both the towel, high quality micro towel, both pieces in the applicator as well as the cooler bag. Or you can get refills only. It's available online, and you can get our new UV and water protectant. We have a UV shield as well as a water shield. Both protect your boat. We're all about taking care of our boats, right, boys?
You got to take care of. All right, Jeff, thank you again.
Eric, it was good to see you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for stopping by.
ProMax with 2xmarines.com. ProMax2xmarine.com. That's where you want to go. Find out more information about really, guys, what's going to end up being a revolutionary product for your boat. Just try it out. See what you think. Thanks so much for joining us today, guys. We'll see you out on the water.